Hey, Plant High students, my name is Daniel Keene, and this is my 14th year teaching in Hillsborough County Public Schools. This will be my first year teaching at Plant, and I'm super excited to be a part of the faculty and super excited to meet you guys when you finally come back in the fall. I have a Bachelor of Arts degree in English from Florida State University, and I have an MA in Linguistics from USF. I've been teaching 10th grade English and AP Language and Composition for about the past 8 or 9 years, and so I know those subjects pretty well. And those are the two subjects that I'll be teaching this year at Plant. So if you have me for in any one of my subjects, you want to need to make sure that you have a notebook or some type of place to store the materials that we hand out to you. So you can take it, just as long as it's a 3-ring binder of some type that you can keep materials in, that will work fine. It can be this kind, it can be this kind, like this, or it can be a small section of a larger notebook, like for instance, if you're an Avid, you can keep it in there as well, just as long as you have some place to store your materials. Also, for my AP Language students, you need to make sure you have at least 3 highlighters, blue, yellow, and green, and then also a red pen for our peer evaluation sessions that we get involved in. For subjects that we're going to be covering. 10th graders, we're going to be starting out with talking about culture, and we'll be looking at the diversity of world literature and many different types of literature that's been written by authors from around the world. We're going to start our year in talking about argumentative writing in the writing section of the class. In AP Language and Composition, we're going to start out with rhetorical analysis. We're going to be looking mostly at nonfiction text throughout the whole year. And we're going to be looking at a lot of speeches, specifically political speeches, and the ways that politicians use their rhetorical strategies to convince people to believe in certain things. It should be an interesting year as we head into an election year. Should be a lot of fun things to talk about. We're going to make sure that we're all super patient with each other in all of my classes because of the current situation that we're in, whether we're on video or whether we're live and in person, and we're going to have a lot of patience with you, and hopefully you'll have a lot of patience with us. All my classes are going to be held in room 105, Mrs. Maroney's old room, and that will be it. I look forward to meeting everybody. Can't wait to see you guys. Enjoy what's left of your summer, and we'll see you very soon.